I'm going to show you how to install the K-Silver TMR joysticks for the PlayStation 5 controller. As we know, the PlayStation 5 controllers come with potentiometer joysticks that rubs and wears out over time, causing stick drift. The K-Silver TMR joysticks are built with cutting-edge Hall effect sensor technology and are quickly becoming the gold standard for pro controller level performance and durability. K-Silver specializes in brands that manufactures TMR tunnel magneto-resistant joysticks. TMR sticks don't use physical contact points, so they don't degrade the way standard sticks do. Instead, they use magnets to register the movements. Some of the other benefits of using TMR sticks are power efficiency, enhanced precision, reduces drift, eliminating jitter and input lag, durability, and performance stability. So let's just check these out real quick. So here are the sticks. As you can see, the KS for K-Silver. And we're going to go ahead and install these on the PlayStation 5 controller. So the first thing we have to do is take apart this controller. And we're going to take off this trim first. And there's 1 and 2 screws here we're going to take out. Then we're going to take the R1 and L1 button out, which exposes 2 more screws. Let's take out these clips here. We'll push them out, and this will give us the ability to peel the controller apart. And here we're going to take the battery out. We're going to take out 1 more screw here. Take out this little mic here. We're going to pull out these ribbon cables. At this point, we could take the motherboard, just flip it over here like this. Take out these joysticks. And here are the old joysticks that are using the potentiometer. Now we're going to try to get these out and put in the K-Silver ones. So in order to get this motherboard out, we have some cables here that we want to desolder. And now we're ready for the desoldering process. There are different ways to remove the joysticks. I like to use the fast chip SMD removal alloy. So what you do is you take some of this stuff and you melt it out on these points. And when you heat them up, it melts the solder and you're able to remove them. This will take a little bit of cleaning because there is going to be excess of the soldering here on top of it. And now you want a heat source, which I'm going to use a heat gun and heat it up. Now we want to clean this up real quick. And we'll do the same on this side. Now I like to use these PCB cleaners, spray some alcohol on it, and we could just clean up the board and prep it for the installation. So after some cleaning, this is what the board looks like, and we're now ready to install the K-Silver TMR joysticks. Now we just want to ensure that all of the pins are intact in the hole, and the joystick is flush with the board. And now we could start soldering. So I'm going to use the flux paste and just put it on here so it binds better. And this is what it came out to be like. So now we're going to start putting this together and configuring the joysticks. Let's put our new joysticks in, and then we could also take these little rubber pads, put them back in the motherboard. Now we put in the speaker back in here, and we could go ahead and assemble our controller back. And the last part is to connect back all of these ribbon cables. Let's put our bracket back in. Okay, now we could hook up this controller to the computer and we'll check out how these joysticks came out, and we could set them and center them. Let's hook up our controller to this website here. We're gonna go GitHub page, DualShock Calibration GUI, and here we're gonna connect our controller, connect it. As we can see, the sticks are pretty centered, but we could calibrate it more. Let's check the circularity. Now this is just raw data here from the installation. We will calibrate it for maximum performance. So in order to do that, first we're going to calibrate the stick center. Please move both sticks top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So now they're perfectly centered at 0. So now let's calibrate stick range. So as we see, we're a little bit out of range. If we check the circularity again, we have a 13 air in here, both 13 air. Let's see if we could fix that. Rotate the stick slowly to cover the whole range. So let's check the circularity on this one. So we have a 5 air. So a lot better improvement. And this is how we change sticks on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. And if you guys are looking into picking up these K-Silver sticks, I'm going to leave the links and where to purchase them in the description. So again, this is the JS13 Pro K-Silver sticks for the PlayStation 5 controller.